find that radar calibration. Here you can see adaptive cruise control unit. We activate that because we know that adaptive cruise control use the most important sensor is radar. So we know that we have to activate and do new programming for that. Yeah. Yes, we have enough voltage in car, 12-volt battery, you can see here also from up. And now it tells what equipment we need to calibrate that camera. And we have this target now for radar calibration. And what is different, we have to change the position of this target. Here you can see 1, 2 and 3. We have to put in 3 different angles this target. Tester will tell you, now put the first, second or third position. And now it tells how we have to start. Same things we have to check as we already have checked when we calibrated front camera. Yes, one thing, it tells also that you have to take this away. And normally we start so that this is in position 2. Position 2 means that it's in right position, not this way or this way, it's straight up position when we have this in position 2. And now it tells when we have to do that calibration. If you have changed wheel positions, you have done wheel alignment, you have to calibrate this. If you have taken away some parts from the front of the car and put them back, after that you have to calibrate that car. If you have changed or if you have taken away a radar and put them back, after that you have to calibrate. Or if you have had a front collision in car, after that you have to do that calibration. Yeah. And you can find that you use right target. So CSC 4 and 1, it's right target. And it tells already that you have to put, when you start this calibration, at position 2. Now it's in the right position. Here is also water bubble here, so I can check it from here that it's in the right position. And now it tells that you have to put that target 120 centimeters from radar, not from front axle, from radar. We measure that distance from the radar to the target is 120 centimeters plus minus 2.5 centimeters. And after that we start once again. We check that it's right, placed that way. It looks quite fine. Yeah. We have done so many times that we remember what is the right number. It's 975, 925, yes. Pietari Järvenpää. 950 both sides, so it's at that way, it's in the right position. Yeah. Yeah. And after that, we also check that it's 90 degrees. If we think this line of car to the target, that it's 90 degrees. We are doing that way, from the mirror to the back. Go. Yes, now we have to change. Alaspäin. Yeah. Quite much. We have to change it quite much. Välillä kannattaa toista puolta vetää kauemmas. Täällä on 13,5. 13. 9, 8, 10 jäi. Nyt meni liikaa toiseksi. Nyt on 7. 8. On just. So it's same as when we were doing with camera. So we make sure that degrees from this line to the target is 90 degrees. Center line of the car and target. And now we check that those bubbles here are in center. And also there is another bubble here in back. Radar can't see anything. It pulls something to here and it comes back to the radar, and it's measuring time, how long time it takes to that radar pulse go to the target and back to the radar. And from that it knows what is the distance between car and target, or another car, or pedestrian, or cyclist. It's measuring all the time the time. And radar can see even if it is heavy snow, or heavy rain, or fog. So it's very good. Yes. Now it tells that we have to change the position of the one. Jan, one. Now we have to put to position 2. And now position 3. I hope that we have to do something. Yes, as I told you, I put that in wrong position. That you can see how it tells us how we have to change the position of radar. So you have to turn a screw what we have in left side of radar. You have to turn wait a second. You have to turn, eli tää on se ylempi ruuvi, mutta ylempi ruuvi on tää vasen. se on vaan vasemmalle 0,75. Eli se menee niinku, I explain him that we have 2 screws and I have learned that that first one is that upper one of the screws and the other screw is in a right down corner. Eli se, joka on siellä yläkulmassa, niin sitä käännetään. You have to turn to left 0.75 round.
Oletko varma?
On.
Ja vasemmalle?
Vasemmalle 0,75. We will see. Did I remember right when we do it once again and check is it in the right position? Oh!
Kadessa oli. Puolitoista.
Kumpaan suuntaan?
Oikealle.
Oikealle. Mun mielestä se oli oikealle. Joo. I think so it was 1.5 turn to right, another screw. We will see soon. Was it right? And if you screw too much away from right position, it would not tell you how much it is in the wrong position.
You have to be really careful.
Yes, and I have, please follow me. We have also happened, it has also happened to us so that it has been so much wrong, it don't tell us how much you have to screw and which way. So you have to take original instructions from Volkswagen and there is basic settings of those screws. And you have to measure it, and after that, start again.
Better be careful.
Yeah. Okay. We will see what happened now. One. Now it starts calibrating once again. It was not right. Ala oikein, käy vasemmalle 2 kierrosta. I remember it was my fault. It was my fault. But it's good to learn. Maybe next time I remember.
225 oikeita. 2 kierrosta.
2 kierrosta ja vartti oikein.
Oliko se molemmat oikein?
Ei kun toinen oli vasen.
Kumpi oli vasemmalle?
Kohta me nähdään.
Oi helka. Joku sanoo oikealle, niin minähän käsin molemmat oikealle.
Pientä jäänyt.
Ei mitään tähän
Kolmas ei ole perussääntö.
I think so.
Pistetään ykkösen, katsotaan miten tapahtuu. Kiesikö molemmat oikein?
Joo.
Interesting. Are we too far away now? It will not tell us where to screw if we were too far away. Oh, now we are much, not so much. So, nyt se alhaalla. Ei ole vasemmalle puolikierros. We are quite near now. And maybe it's 1 millimeter per round, so it's very little amount how we change the position of that radar. It was good that it was not right in first time. Yes, in Tampere we were teaching teachers, someone during when we have coffee break, someone was doing that maybe 5 turns, so after that, what to do? Now it tells that everything is fine. Yes. Yeah.